टॉप है, उस सामने ऊपर टॉप है, उस पे जाना है। दिखाओ टॉप सामने, टॉप टॉप। अब हमारी हालत हो गई खराब। चलो देखते हैं, आराम से आ जाओ, बैठ बैठ के चल देंगे। आ जाओ, फिर वापस भी आना है। हाँ
Oh, careful. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Ha? Wala ako. Gibilin niya yan, no?
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome sa ilang vlog.
Good afternoon।
Ali, gigunit dire kay. Ay mama kay nagkalisod gitaw ni. You okay?
Okay, okay।
Okay pa ta ni. We're going up there. We're almost there. We will not going this way. We will go the other way. Not too steep. Okay, there's a slippery. There's a way right there. Is it okay here? There's another way in there.
Easy।
Easy than this one.
This
Easier there.
easy है। आओ इधर चलते हैं। आ जा, थक गया हो।
Paldo Rita, paldo. Okay, we'll let them go first. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank
From
you.
which country?
Thank you for coming, guys.
England, very good, very good।
Yeah, welcome to the Philippines.
Welcome to the Philippines। हिम्मत कर दी, कमाल है, कमाल है, हिम्मत कर दी।
Oh, careful, huh? Slowly, slowly. Hinay, hinay.
हिनाई हिनाई।
Yeah, it's slowly. There, the other way. That's right, sir. There's another there. Just turn around because not very steep in there. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah, slowly, slowly. Okay. Sir, you okay? Come on. Just hold.
Pwede na lang sinisawa.
Just relax. Right here. Take selfies. Oh, we're almost there. Help! Relax, relax here. Wait. Just relax. Do not sit.
Picture ko ba?
Here. No, we're almost there na.
na ako papa. Gugulong. Stroke na lang ako ganyan.
Ang kapoy na. Sorry. It's okay.
Sorry guys. From which country you are? I'm from Metro Manila. From
Manila,
from
Manila,
Metro
Philippines.
Near Philippines.
Guadalupe.
I'm near Guadalupe. Do you live here near Guadalupe?
Manila.
Manila.
Metro station Guadalupe.
Yeah.
Ayla. USA. नाम ऐसे ऐसे अमेरिका कहते हैं ना जैसे
Metro Manila.
हाँ चल जाता बस कोई बात नहीं चल जाएंगे हाँ तो चलेंगे थोड़ा सा रहेगा चलेगा तो चलो सारा दिन इसी में पड़े रहते हैं तो सारी भैंस जो हालत खराब हो गई हाँ जाने में तो दिक्कत नहीं होगी उतरने में
Easy, yeah. Then that one, it's very steep. Look at there. And this one, slippery.
नो स्लिपरी स्लिपरी
Yeah, there.
No slippery. We will
They here, this way.
we will go this way. No
Yeah.
slippery
Yeah.
pathway is not
Hmm.
suitable to us.
I will go this way. There.
Different peaks है वो नजर आती हैं यहाँ से.
Yeah, many
Peaks है ना जगह जगह.
pigs over there. There's a lot. Over there, mini pigs. Almost there. Closer to the top.
5 minutes only 5 minutes
3 minutes.
3 minutes
Yeah.
Who is the president of Philippines?
Bongbong.
Huh?
Bongbong Bangag.
नाम ये जी है.
बूम बूम
Bung bung.
चलो जी चलो
BBM.
थाईलैंड थाईलैंड
Pero Philippines
Thailand.
is
है भाई
Marcos.
मार्क फिलिपिन बिंगबोंग
Bongbong Marcos.
बिंगबोंग
Yeah.
अच्छा और थाईलैंड
मरवा दिया.
थाईलैंड बुम्बोंग
Thailand Bongbong.
Bung bung.
Also?
Oh. बड़ी कड़ी कसरत करवा
चलो
दिया.
चलो
है बड़ा पीक
थोड़ा
तो
सा
भी है उसकी.
कोई नहीं पहुंच जाएंगे इतना आ लिया तो
हाँ.
अब इतना क्या डरना है
वो तो जाएंगे ही. आए तो जाएंगे.
Yeah. Bongbong Marcos.
Bung bung Marcos.
Yes, one of the best president of the Philippines.
Bung bung Marcos. Okay, we will search at internet.
When Bongbong is the president, everything has changed.
ओ भाई
Be careful, ah. Slowly. Scared of heights? Slowly. Flor. Platon ka na mo dire. Ale dire. Sabak ka dire. Sir, look at the other guy though. He's coming for you. Relax, relax. This is it. Oh, this is the peak.
Hazy. Sky is hazy.
Easy?
Sky is hazy.
Easy, yeah, easy.
Not
We cannot see the other side.
poor visibility.
This side.
This side is the sea.
Yeah, small ball.
Huh?
Small ball. You been there, mobile?
आराम से उतर मत जाओ.
Small ball.
Mall ball.
Yeah.
Mall ball.
Yes, sir.
बस पे भी लिखा था. What is no mall ball?
And mobile, you can see the said like millions of sardines. Millions of sardines. Sardines ba? Sardines ako. Yeah, okay.
Millions of
Sardines.
sardines means.
Yeah, the small fish.
अच्छा small fish. Okay.
Diving.
हाँ,
They're
अच्छा.
very famous for
अच्छा
diving.
famous for diving.
Yeah, mobile.
Mall ball.
Yeah. Mall ball, bong bong.
हाँ mall ball boom boom. Which one is mall ball?
That side.
Huh?
That side over there.
That side.
Yeah. And then this big island is Badian.
हाँ.
And the small island behind is Pescador.
Hmm.
Pescador is one also of the diving spot there in Mobile. Scuba diving.
Scuba diving.
Yes, sir.
Mall ball.
Mall ball. Remember the mall ball.
Where is mall ball?
The president is Bong Bong.
President is from Mall Ball.
No.
Huh.
There's a lot of foreign people there in Mall Ball.
Mall Ball.
Yeah, one of the nice spot.
Nice
Tourist spot in
tourist
Cebu.
spot. अच्छा in Cebu.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा this area is in Cebu, eh?
Yes, sir.
Mall Ball is a tourist spot.
Yeah,
So
tourist
most-
spot
most
as well.
maximum for forest
Famous for diving and white sand.
तो
White sand and famous for diving. Popular for diving.
Have you gone to Boracay?
Boracay. Boracay
Which one is better? Boracay is better or this one is better?
I think Boracay.
Boracay is better.
Yeah, but it's very far from here.
Very far. Boracay is better far from Bol Bol, eh?
Yeah, it's very far. Layo kayo. These guys, they are from Boracay.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
You make one video.
Yeah.
चलो अंधेरे में निकल लेंगे.
Your phone?
Huh?
Wait, you have video in your phone?
You
With the-
will make one video. Just press video. Myself and this one. My photos. You also come.
Okay. So buwan hinoon ka boss, mapawa kayong dool.
क्या नाम
Wait,
है?
sir. Wait.
Wait for a while.
We will let them finish first.
चुटानी जी.
Or we will finish them.
How many minutes?
4-5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Just all surrounding.
You guide? Yeah, the guide? Oh, Flor. Hi, to my vlog.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Oh, wow, gipangita ka gani ha.
Okay.
Makita ko.
Smile.
Basic live di ako.
Magbuot man kanila nga vlogger na sila oh.
Kita ganan sa ng page.
Page 1. Pagkatong usa kay page 2. Asa man ni siya oy? Sir.
Bangin siya. Kaya na siya lagi.
Badlungon gigini sila gyud.
Yeah. Pupunta siya. Sige, dali para yung doon.
Picture, video.
Video, picture दोनों.